Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel an event in the Google Calendar. So in here, I've already opened my Google Calendar on my computer and this is the event that I want to cancel. So if you want to do the same, you can just follow the steps. So just right click on the event and there will be an options to delete. Click on this delete button and here if you want to send the cancellation emails to the event guest, you can just add the message in here. And after that, just click on send, or you can also don't send any cancellation emails. So just like that, the event will be cancelled or deleted. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel and click on the thanks button. Thank you.